In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gantt chart feature in Clickup. This visual tool is a game changer for managing tasks and timelines, offering an overview of your project's progress and helping you stay organized. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to get you started. First things first, open your web browser and go to Clickup's website. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing the Clickup platform and all its powerful features. After clicking login, you'll be directed to a new page. If you prefer using your Google account, you can simplify the process by selecting Sign In with Google. This single click avoids the need to remember another password and seamlessly connects your account. Once you've signed in, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. Make sure you choose the right account linked to your Clickup workspace to access all your projects effortlessly. As soon as you're logged in, you'll see the Clickup dashboard where all the magic happens. Now look for the Gantt chart feature. This is typically found on the sidebar or under your Views menu, depending on your Clickup workspace settings. Click on Gantt and you'll be brought to a timeline view that provides a comprehensive look at your tasks. Gantt charts are known for their simplicity and efficiency in managing time-sensitive projects, so it's a great resource to utilize. Next, identify the project or list you're working with. In Clickup, projects are often organized into lists. Click the arrow next to your list to expand the view, revealing individual tasks associated with your project. This detailed layout will make it easier to navigate as you start organizing and scheduling tasks on the Gantt chart. To begin actively managing the timeline, select a task. You'll notice that tasks can be easily moved by clicking and dragging them across the timeline. This dragging action allows you to efficiently adjust start and end dates, accommodating any changes or shifts in your project schedule. Lastly, there's one more step to enhance your Gantt chart experience. Locate the empty calendar date fields. By clicking on these, you can directly add or edit tasks to align with your project needs and deadlines. This feature ensures all team members are on the same page and that important dates aren't overlooked. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated the Gantt chart in Clickup, setting yourself up to better monitor project timelines and handily manage your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to make the most of Clickup's dynamic project management tools. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.